Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LTEA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, this thing, if you were to say, Clay, summarize this for me really quickly, I would have to call it just a pump and dump, no doubt about it. Now, before you start throwing stones, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this is some shady company being run out of a North Korean bunker. I'm making that statement based solely on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes right back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's apply this definition here, and let's just kind of map out, at least in my mind, where this all started. And for me, it started when the price broke out above this key area of resistance, which was right there at the dollar, what would you call it, the $2 mark. But you can see, going back through the history of the past, right there, the price tried to get through it, couldn't quite do it. And then there's some other historical areas with it right here. But point being, that is what I'm saying is the starting point where the breakout started. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, the breakout started there, and then it went all the way up there. I'm hoping we can all agree that was a really nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the same day, I'm once again hoping we can agree that, yeah, this did happen in a short amount of time. Price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So where did it start? We already established that. Where did it close? Right there. In other words, the price is literally right back below, right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power are going to make progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were. And when I say make progress forward, I'm not saying the price had to keep going up. Even if it pulled back and then just started to go sideways, up around here, well, at least at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. But I mean, the price is literally right back inside of that channel. Another way you could say this is back to the drawing board for the bulls, because can the bulls make another nice move? Yeah, I'm not saying that the price can never, ever make a nice move. I'm just saying relative to the move that happened this morning, was there any sort of true power behind it? Absolutely not. That was just a total pump and dump because the price is right back to where it all began. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.